Hey everybody, Doug Rucker here, Doug Rucker School, pressurecleaningschool.com and DougRuckerStore.com. Hey man, got something I'm really excited that I want to share with you guys today, particularly you guys on the online school. But I'm also going to post this to the YouTube page just in case anybody out there wants to see what I'm started doing here recently. David Carroll, good friend of mine in the industry for many, many years, actually helped him out on a job when he was first getting started and just kind of developed a lifelong friendship. But he's got a way that you can send postcards. You can do yard signs. You can design your own yard signs. You can get tracking phone numbers and forward it to your cell number or whatever phone number you want. You can use your own phone number if you want to, but you can design all these. These are great signs because they're basic, which is what I like, getting your point across with your phone number. So you can put your company name here or pressure washing or whatever you want. Many template designs. They'll also work with you and design something that you want specifically. The big thing that I've been using is postcards. We've got quite a bit of postcards that you can do here, but I've also designed some of my own, like these here. So they'll work with you and to help you design your own card, whatever you want to do. But again, the big thing on these is you can use a tracking number and go into your tracking area up here, and you'll be able to track and see how many calls you get. I think the last one I sent out about 700 postcards. So there's the list of the postcards and the addresses. All of this stuff, they're going to help you walk you through this. In fact, David has a great page called Don't Suck at Facebook. He's got classes to help you with your Facebook advertising. He'll help you personally on the phone. He uses Voxer like I do, so you can reach out to him there. But my suggestion would be just a few hours ago, they posted a video here about direct mail strategy. So I would definitely ask to get into this group. If you have a problem, just let me know and I'll add you to it. But here's a great video about postcard strategy. And here is a link to it. So you got plenty of ways to get a hold of him, friend his wife, Bryn, and they'll definitely help you. But I really love what he's doing here because I can track everything. I don't have to send 1,000 postcards or 10,000 postcards. A lot of what I do is when we've done a house, I'll get David to develop me a list of all the houses within a mile or half a mile or whatever around that, and we'll send a postcard. One of my favorite ones that I send is my templates here. Is this one: we just cleaned your neighbor's home. If you guys want to use this, just tell David and he'll just switch out all your contact information to your logo and your phone numbers and all of that kind of stuff. But I strongly recommend getting a hold of David. I'm doing a real short version. There's so much more this thing can do. He's really built a beautiful user-friendly program, and again, they'll walk you through everything. So if you're wanting to do any type of postcards or yard signs, things of that nature, get on this and talk to them. It's not going to cost you anything to talk to them and find out what it costs to get involved. I don't think they charge you anything to get involved. They just charge you for sending out the postcards. They're going to help you design it free. And I think they even have a special going here I saw on Facebook for the month of April. They do free designs for the month of April. So they'll design your postcard if you can't find one in here that you like. So, they've got all of these templates that you can use. You can do your custom postcard, whatever you want to do. So this is at dope360.com. You can go there for the postcard things. And again, Get onto his Facebook group, Don't Suck at Facebook. If you want help on your Facebook strategy, your Facebook advertising, he's got courses that he's charged for before. So investigate, see if it's something you think will work for your business. Talk to David, and start using it if you think it's going to help you. It's definitely helped mine. So hope that helps you guys. If you have any questions for me, let me know. Otherwise, get a hold of David or Bren at their Facebook page, and they will absolutely help you out. That's Bren, his wife there with their beautiful kids. And then there's David Carroll right there. All right. Hope that helped you guys. Take care.